proceso de cerrar la bufanda. We're binding off stitches. This is the end of the scarf. Entonces está tejiendo. Tiene 2 puntos en la aguja derecha. Muy bien. Con la aguja izquierda entras en el punto de atrás. Lo pasas sobre el punto de adelante y sueltas el punto. Muy bien. Asegúrate de que la tensión no sea muy apretada. Yes. So, you need 2 stitches, and you go put your left needle into the back stitch, bring it over the front stitch, release that back stitch. There you go. And remember to check your tension because you don't want it to be too tight. There you go. You want that bind off to match the same size as your cast on. Because you end up like a little tiny. There we go. Oh. And you keep doing that till the end of the row.
This is hard.
Yeah, it's kind of hard. But you're getting it. So. Okay, we're almost to the end of the row. Ya casi terminamos esta vuelta, la última vuelta del tejido. ¡Ay, qué emoción! Se toma el último punto, se tejen los dos así. El de atrás pasa sobre el de adelante. ¿Sí? Sacas la aguja y ahora te voy a pasar las tijeras.
¿Qué hago con esta ahora?
Ahora vas a cortar esta hebra como por aquí más o menos. No tiene filo. It's a dull
Okay,
pair
let's
of
pretend.
scissors.
Let's pretend
that
these are
it's
real
working.
scissors. See, go.
There you go.
Okay.
And now you're just gonna bring your
This. Okay.
needle all the way up and out, and that's it. That's it.
Voila.
Awesome. Let's compare it to your cast on. Perfection.
Okay.
Nice. And we're going to add fringes and then weave in the ends. So how many balls of yarn did you use? Would you say?
2.5.
2.5?
Almost 3.
Oh, almost 3? Okay, so then with the third ball, of what's left of the third ball, then you can use it for fringes.
All right. Okay.
Yeah? Awesome. Good job, Mariano.
Thank you.
Awesome. That scarf. Voy a agregarle los flecos.
I forgot. Okay. Got this.
Y están saliendo las dos hebras. Perfecto. Muy bien. Se doblas en mitad, fold it in the middle, right?
Okay. So let's say like here, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here. No. Maybe así. No, it's going to be the opposite. It's going
Yeah,
to
that way.
that way. No. Okay, I'm getting mixed up. Like this. No. Apagaan mo sa
No. Así.
Okay.
Mhm. There you go. It's a lot easier because then the hook will just
Right, okay.
hold that yarn
To
together.
remember that. The hook facing
And it's
me.
good to record these mistakes because other people might be making them too. So
Okay.
you don't want perfection every time.